So hey guys, this is the first look at the new Xiaomi 13 Pro. Yes, it appears like Xiaomi is almost ready to introduce its 13 series of smartphones because Xiaomi 13 was also recently seen in a leaked live image. This gives us a look at the upcoming smartphone. Going by the leaked image, the Xiaomi 13 Pro looks similar to the regular variant. Both smartphones are anticipated to be released in November or in December after the release of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU. According to the leaked image, the Xiaomi 13 Pro will have a square camera island that extends outside. As is well known, Xiaomi's flagship series smartphones have a large and odd camera bump that helps them stand out from the crowd. Xiaomi is keeping with the tradition of the camera bump. On the left side of the module, there are two vertical stacked sensors, and on the right there is a huge lens. Below the latter is an LED flash. There is also a Leica logo on the back indicating that Xiaomi has collaborated with the iconic camera brand on the next flagship device. The back panel features curved corners as well. The Xiaomi 13 Pro is spotted in a silver color option with additional variants anticipated at launch. As with other Xiaomi phones, it is mainly a camera phone. The Xiaomi 13 Pro camera specs are still unknown, but it appears like Xiaomi is bringing something fresh to the table for us. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 hype is in full swing as several smartphone makers are ready with their devices to launch with this CPU. Let me tell you that the 8 Gen 2 will be more powerful and efficient than the 8 Plus Gen 1, which makes me want to see the performance in person. Meanwhile, the smartphone's front side was also leaked with the key specifications last month. It has a punch hole display in center with the curved edges. It is likely to have a 6.67 inches AMOLED screen with a 2K resolution and a refresh rate of 120Hz. The leaked image also reveals 12GB of RAM, 3GB of virtual RAM and Android 13 OS based on MIUI 14. The Xiaomi 13 series is likely to be announced later this year, possibly a few weeks after Qualcomm unveils the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 in mid-November. So what do you think about this Xiaomi 13 Pro? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.